Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drones available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable the best drones, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI Mini 4 Pro must be activated in the DJI Fly app. To ensure your using experience, please go to the DJI official website to download the DJI Fly app before use. According to FAR requirements, if you are operating a drone with a takeoff weight of 0.55 pounds or less than 250 grams, for purely recreational purposes, you may not need to register your drone and comply with the remote ID rule. If your drone needs to be registered, such as flights for commercial purposes, please fly with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Please visit the FAR's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. You can also check the compliance document to see the user guide for FAR remote ID compliance. Travel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time. For the latest aircraft firmware, the remote ID will only be activated when the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus is used. If your drone needs to be registered, such as flights for commercial purposes, please fly with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Perfectly showcases sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the camera. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Worry less about collisions when flying. Even first-time users experience extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. 3. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Let nothing hold you back as you explore vast landscapes. Number 2. DJI Air 3. DJI Air 3, DJI RCN2, is the standard option and includes the drone, DJI RCN2 remote controller, and other items for new users to get started quickly. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. DJI RCN2 includes the drone, RCN2, 3 intelligent flight batteries, a battery charging hub, and more. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. DJI RC2 includes the drone, 3 intelligent flight batteries, a battery charging hub, and more, as well as the new DJI RC2, which offers a bright touch screen and the DJI Fly app pre-installed for an exceptional operating experience. DJI Air 3's dual cameras offer creative focal length options ideal for travel photography. Show off stunning environments and tell captivating stories through your lens. DJI Air 3 complies with the FAR remote ID rule. Please check the compliance document below to see the user guide for remote ID. And you can visit the FAR's website for requirements of drone registration and remote ID. Fly confidently with Air 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It ensures comprehensive protection even in challenging environments like forests. Air 3 captures impressive 48MP images, allowing for remarkable crops. Even quickly snapped travel photos can be cropped to reveal surprising details. Record stunning 4K/60 FPS HDR videos with the dual cameras. Experience breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and lifelike details. The 6-antenna array significantly improves video transmission. Enjoy a stable 1080p/60 FPS live feed up to 20 km. Ensuring smooth flights with clear and reliable transmission. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log into the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Fly. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Mavic 3 Pro has a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, f/2.8 f/11, 20MP. The Hasselblad 4K drone camera supports shooting raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. DJI Mavic 3 Pro complies with the FAR Remote ID rule. Please check the compliance document below to see the user guide for Remote ID. And you can visit the FAR's website for requirements of drone registration and remote ID. Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and create with peace of mind. 8 vision sensors work with a vision computing engine to sense obstacles. Mavic 3 Pro gives you more confidence to fly further and spend less time worrying about the battery level of the long-range drone with camera for adults. Mavic 3 Pro features a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers with stable signal, presenting a more coherent camera view. A professional 4K camera long-range drone for adults includes DJI RC and 1 battery. DJI RC has a lightweight, comfortable feel and 700 nit brightness. It's a great for DJI long-range 4K camera drones. An affordable remote controller with a screen. The new Vision Assist provides visual assistance and improved aerial safety in 4 directions. The 70mm medium tel camera now supports 10-bit D-Log M and HLG color modes, expanding post-processing space. Number 4. DJI Mini 3, under 249 grams, FAR registration and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. Visit the FAR's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. Film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. With dual native ISO fusion, Mini 3 enables the capture of details in highlights and shadows, both day and night. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. And after capturing, it's in the perfect orientation to post to Instagram or TikTok. Its flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, but the aircraft will weigh more than 249 grams. Fly More combo offers up to 114 minutes of total flight time. With its level 5 wind resistant and 3-axis mechanical gimbal, Mini 3 can capture consistently smooth 4K imagery. Rushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters, up to 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet. Of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to freely explore vast landscapes and see clearer. Epic shots are at your fingertips. Use quick shots to choose dynamic flight patterns or capture a stunning view with panorama. Number 5. Ortl Robotics Evo Lite Plus. Ortl Evo Lite Plus drone is designed for professionals. Evo Lite Plus features adjustable f/2.8 to f/11 aperture, 3-way obstacle avoidance, 6K/30p video, 2.7K/30 fps live view transmission range of 7.4 miles, and a maximum 40-minute flight time. Ortl Evo Lite Plus with an intelligent moonlight algorithm can capture crisp, vibrant details even when the ISO is cranked up high. It will be the best choice for your flight. Ortl Lite Plus aircraft with a 1-inch sensor, a 20MP camera and a large 2.4 micrometers pixels, takes photos with a resolution of up to 5472 by 3648, and records 6K video at 30 fps or 4K video at 60 fps. It has the ability to rebalance overexposure or underexposure to allow natural colors to really shine through. When the camera is in ultravision, night scene mode, the aperture, zoom, and focus capabilities are better than those of Air 2's. Ortl Lite Plus foldable drone has the same adjustable aperture as the Ortl Evo 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Pro. Flex your creativity with an adjustable aperture from f/2.8 f/11, giving you the ability to alter exposure and depth of field in imaginative ways that show off your unique artistic style. Ortl Lite Plus quadcopter create dramatic, professional level shots at the touch of a button with 4, flick, rocket, fade away, orbit, automatic shooting modes. Add a soundtrack and filters in the Autel Sky app to make your video even more epic, allowing you to produce unforgettable results whether you're a veteran pilot or completely new to the drone game.